Alright guys, what's up? I'm here you guys in the video, and today I am back, finally back. Now, I got a new computer. Yes, I did get a new computer. Here we go. As you can see here. Oh, there we go. Here we go. This is my new computer's specs. I got GeForce GTX 1070 for the Win Edition, which is insanely fast. Core 7 6700K for 4.00 gigahertz. I plan on overclocking it. 16 gigabytes of Corsair RAM. Clocked at 2666 megahertz. And Windows 8. And yeah, that's now. Let me give you guys an update. Now, the reason I haven't been really uploading in the past month or so is because my PC just kept thermal throttling, and it was impossible to edit. And yeah, I just couldn't edit. I couldn't preview anything on the timeline. It would lag out so bad, really badly. So I just really wasn't motivated, you know. I wasn't motivated to record and stuff because I couldn't even record games. I planned on uploading Sky Factory, and I couldn't even play that, you know. So now I have a new PC. I'm gonna upload as much as possible. I'm really motivated right now. I still haven't tested it on renders and stuff, but right now I'm downloading Battlefield 3 because that's the only game I have that's intense, graphic intense. Because I really wouldn't buy other games like Battlefield 4, which, if you guys don't know yet, Battlefield 4 is $5 right now. $5, so take advantage of that. That's the standard edition. The deluxe is 8, premium is 30. So take advantage of that. I might buy that and test it out. But yeah, that's the only game I'm downloading right now that's actually intense. CS:GO, that runs at 300 FPS with all the graphics maxed out. Minecraft, I haven't tried that because it doesn't make any sense to try it. And yeah, also I recorded me building it, but some of the video was corrupted. I don't know why. When I was transferred to my computer, it wouldn't open. I only got some footage, which really makes me mad because I had a blast building this computer and I recorded it and everything, but sadly you guys can't see it. But I have some clips of me building it, which I'll put after this right now. And the next video I'm gonna upload is all the benchmarks on 3D Mark, Firestrike, Time Spy. I'm gonna make a video on all the benchmarks that I can run and everything, and see what the scores I get. I just have to download the programs. So as you can see here, this is, if you're wondering, this is Cam by NZXT. It's free. If you make an account, it takes like 5 minutes, 2 minutes. You get extra features. But as you can see here, it tells you the temperature of your CPU, the load it's under, the temperature of the graphics card, which is pretty cool right now, and the load. And as you can see, I have a SSD, 250 gigabytes, and I have a 1 terabyte Western Digital blue drive, which is my main drive. I have Windows on the SSD, and it tells you your RAM, which is I'm using 30% right now, and it tells you my build. It tells you even freaking what BIOS update you're on. I'm on F5 right now, and my motherboard is a Gigabyte Z170 Ultra Durable 5, Intel Core i7 6700K, GeForce GTX 1070, and it tells you how much watts it takes, like 150 watts. The default clock is 1607 megahertz, turbo clock 1700 megahertz. Now I plan on, I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast, I plan on overclocking my graphics card and my processor, but just not right now. And you can see a motherboard Z170 and the memory. I don't know why it says the default frequency. It's kind of weird. It even tells you the timing. And here's my SSD and my main drive, which will tell you the power of hours, 2 hours and 2 hours, basically the same. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Right now I'm gonna show you guys some video clips of me building it. Sorry you couldn't see all of it, but I'll put up a picture of all the parts that I got if you're wondering, and I'll put the specs in the description below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, like I was saying before, there's like a little thing here that tells you ATX, mini ITX, SSD cage, a hard drive case, it tells you the letter. So ATX is letter A. So I have to look on. I have to look at if there's A anywhere else. Like here, there's an A. So I have to put a standoff there. And some standoffs are already put in. So this is for ATX, mini ITX. So that's already in. So I have to look out for any other A's. So there's another A here. So I have to put a standoff there, here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put in the standoffs, and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I put all the standoffs in, we gotta put in the I/O shield. Now this I/O shield's pretty good quality. Let me open it for you guys. It's in plastic, so they take it out. So pull it off here. It has like this cushioning here, as you can see there. There we go. It has like some padding on it. I don't think we peel it off, do we? No, we don't peel it off. So, as you can see, the I/O shield is black, which is really nice. It matches the case, as you guys can see, the Mastercase, CoolerMaster Mastercase 5, not the Pro 5. So yeah, so let's put this in, and we'll put in the motherboard. Alright, so the motherboard is in. So let me get this light here to show you guys. So all the screwed in, all the standoffs are in and everything. So now what we gotta do is install that. I'm on my kitchen table, by the way. That's like a lot of fruit here. So we're gonna install the liquid cooler onto the CPU, and we'll see what to do from there. Alright, so the water cooler, the water pump is on. So it's kind of a really difficult thing because since it's really close to the radiator, I had to bend the wires weird, and it wasn't going my way. So I think after the water pump, I think we can get the SSD installed on the trays and everything. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so for the drives, I got a 250 gigabyte Samsung SSD 750 EVO. I was thinking about getting the A50 EVO, but I was like, I mean, I won't notice the difference because I've never had an SSD before. Either way, SSDs are insanely fast. And for the hard drive, the main drive, I'm with the 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. Here's the drive. Just a regular hard drive. So yeah, 1 terabyte, and the box will come off. Damn. The 1 terabyte, not 1 terabyte, the 250 gigabyte SSD. And it just comes with the manual. This actually came in its own box, like a own little box. So yeah, so let's get these installed, and I'll be right back, as always. So a cool thing about this case is that it's toolless, see? Just pulls right out, and when you want to put it back in, it just, come on. Why would I go back in? I think something's stuck or something. Oh well, you know what I mean. So it just goes back in like that. And yeah. And I think I might mount the SSD up there, because there's a spot for an SSD. Or I don't know if I should just keep all my drives in one spot. I'll see. Alright, so I put the SSD and the hard drive in. I put the hard drive on the bottom and the SSD on top, just because my OCD, you know. So yeah, so the hard drives are in. I actually took off the SSD tray up there because it just didn't make sense. I didn't really know how to use it. So I just took it off. It wouldn't make sense if I kept it because it'll just look ugly. So I just rather have all the drives in here, my 2 drives in there. So yeah, so now after that, let's get the power supply and the graphics card. Alright, so for the power supply, I just went with Corsair 750 watts. This is enough for at least another graphics card, because I checked on PC Part Picker, and with everything, with the build and everything, an extra graphics card It's about 650 watts with an SLI, so hopefully this is enough. So I just went with the RM750X series, fully modular. So let's get it open. I'm just gonna tear off the plastic first. Okay. So I get the, I don't know. Alright, so let's get this off. What? I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. Okay, so here it is. Okay, looks like there's no tape on it. And it's a box inside of a box. Wow, would you figure that? Okay, so take this off. And it's not coming out. I'm gonna use 2 hands for this. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this. And I cut it the wrong way. Corsair. How the fuck is this open? Hello? Power supply? Hello? Oh, I'm stupid. Boom. So here's the manuals. That's a really freaking thick. And the warranty guide. So put that to the side. AC cable, which I have 1,000 of. Silica. Some zip ties, which we actually have some zip ties from the case. And would you look at that? It comes in a nice pouch. It's really nice. And oh, I can already see it. It already comes in a freaking a suede bag. What the hell? This isn't shoes or what you call it, jewelry. So nothing else in the box. So I'll put this back in here. Close this up. I don't want to make a mess, you know. Alright, so now let me sit down for this. This is what the hell? It comes in, and it comes in a plastic bag. Oh my gosh, Corsair. Jeez. Okay, this is weird. Why? Oh, hopefully you guys, this is a bad angle. Sorry. And here we go. And I'll keep this for sure. Nothing else in the bag. No, nothing else. Alright, so for the power supply. Here we go. Comes in nice. What is this? Silent Silent operation at low to moderate loads. Loads. In this mode, fan will not spin. Oh, so it's basically like the graphics card, where if it's on idle, the fan will stop spinning, and when the power supply reaches a certain degree, it'll start spinning again. So like I said, this is a fully modular power supply, which the fan goes down this way, so it's 750. So a nice power supply, 750 watts. Here are all the connections. And now let's take a look at the cables, what cables it comes with. Set that down. Oh yes, yes. The cables are braided. Looks like it's nylon. I don't think it's power cord. It's nylon, I bet. So all the cables are braided except this looks like, what is this, type 4? Except for some of them, but they're still black. It's not ketchup and mustard, which is perfect. So I think this is the SATA for power and everything. So not all of them come braided, but it's good at least that they don't have ketchup and mustard color. Looks like a Molex connector, and looks like only the main cable. So only some of the cables come braided. The only important ones, like the 24-pin, I think this is the graphics card. Yeah, so it comes with all these cables. Yeah, oh, and also the graphics card. So I'm just gonna put this back. Okay, I just put everything, all the cables back. So I already opened this because I was too impatient, you know. I'm too impatient for anything. and I opened it from the other side. So as you can see, I already opened it. So I'll open it for you guys again. And then again after.
Oh my gosh. Okay, come out. Boom.
Black box, envelope full of stuff, posters and everything. I'll upload the unboxing of this after. Power cables, and the beast in all its glory. This is a humongous graphics card, just to let you guys know. It's right there. And I think we need those cables, so I'm gonna just leave them out. Like I said, it's my first time. I don't think I said it before, but it's my first time building a computer, so excuse me if I sound like a noob. Don't freaking stick your finger up my ass because I said something wrong, you know? I don't like my butthole being fiddled with. Okay, yeah. Cables to the side. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I gotta do this strategically. Boom. So like I said, just keep all your packaging if you ever do unbox or buy a new part, just in case it comes defective or anything. So yeah, so here's the graphics card with 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, 1 DVI. It is compatible. SLI, oh that's the power. SLI fingers are right there, covered. This is RGB, by the way. I paid the premium for the RGB. Don't need those for the Win editions come RGB, I believe, which are like $30 more than the super clocked. So this is RGB. So I will control it through AC, through Precision X, sorry. So you can see the heat pipes and everything. So I'll give you a better look at when I'm done. Also, this does come with the back plate. Obviously, if it didn't come with the back plate, I would cry every time. I'd cry every time if it didn't come with the back plate. So there we go. So yeah, so, I think I'll just get the power supply installed and everything, and I'll be right back. Also, this comes with the dust filter. This case, man, this case is just a box of surprises. It was only I paid $66 for it, man. This is, oh, I can't get the dust filter on. This case is freaking the best bang for your buck, man. Jeez. And oh, I thought it came with the power supply bracket, but it doesn't. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the power supply installed. Okay, so I got the power supply installed, and it actually comes with this power supply shroud, which you just put into here. Hold on, if I can get this right. Oh crap, I don't think. All right, there it goes. It goes there, and you just gotta screw it in with the thumb screw. So I'm doing this with one hand. And the thumb screw is right here, so you put it. Where does this go? Right here. No, actually, does this go there? Yeah, it goes there. Sorry for the bad. I don't think you guys can see. I push this back a little bit. Just put that there and the power shot. Okay, there. Like, I don't want to push it that much because it goes back. And boom. And if you see here, the power shot doesn't move. So that's pretty nice. It comes with the power shot just in case if you get like a shitty power supply and it's really ugly. Cooler. I almost said Corsair CoolerMaster got you covered. And it has some routing cables here. And also, I didn't notice this until now. It comes with an extra fan here in the front for the hard drives. I guess I'm gonna actually move this up to there so that this doesn't make sense to put it in near the drives because they don't really need cooling. So I'd rather move it up and let it cool. So let it cool the top of the system, not the bottom. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna connect the 24 power. I'm just gonna connect everything, the CPU, the 24 pin, and all the important stuff, and yeah. Alright, so right now, let's see if this will post. The graphics card's not in here because yeah, it wouldn't make sense if I put the graphics card in there and post it. So I just connected it to integrated graphics, connected to the wall, and the monitor the monitor is on. Yep, the little light switch is on, so let's see if this will post. Alright, ready? Nothing turned on. Whoops, I am a derp. Derp. It's off, so now it's on. The power supply was off. So now let's see if it'll post. Nothing. Okay, I think I found what the problem was. So let's connect the power supply back again. Hold on. Okay, that's good. Flip it back on. And now let's see if this will turn on. Nothing turns on. Alright, we got the graphics card installed. These cables are kind of ugly. I might invest in some cable extensions because these are pretty ugly. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Oh, never mind. The freaking lamp is not on. So it's already connected. The graphics card, everything connected. And now we just gotta turn on the power supply. And fire it up. See what happens. Oh, there we go. Look at the light. Now this graphics card is RGB, like I said, so you can see there. EVGA for the win. Let's see if you can hear the pump turn on. There we go. Heard it squirt. Sorry if you hear dogs. Oh, there we go. Gigabyte. And that's pretty much it. Reboot or select proper boot device. You can hear the pump. Alright, so now we're just gonna bring it over to my workplace and everything and install Windows because everything else is fine. And yeah, it's a pretty nice build. Alright, so we're here at the setup. That's how the case looks. I installed the LED, as you can see above. It's UV, so it looks pretty nice. Sorry if you hear that loud noise. It's the air conditioner. It was way too hot. So I got Windows over here, and I Frankensteined this this ROM because as you can see here, there is no space for it. So I just hooked it up on the side. And here it says Windows, and yeah, I'm gonna set up Windows, and I'll be right back. Alright, so setup is starting. And I just gotta put in my product key, and I'll do that too. Okay, I accept. Next. And this says upgrade, install Windows, keep files, settings, application. Install Windows only, advanced. Upgrade, install Windows and keep files, settings, and application. The file settings application are moved. Alright, so here we go. So where do you want to install Windows? Perfect. Alright, so we got drive 1, which is 250 gigabytes. This is the Samsung SSD. So let's choose that one. And let's hit next. So let's just make sure drive 1 on. Okay, so hit next. To ensure that all Windows features work correctly, Windows might create additional partitions for system files. Okay. And boom, copying Windows files. And this will take a while actually, so I'll be right back. What's the next step?